Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be sharing with you some British treats and snacks that we got at yes, this is part 2. We did another video with a bunch of other things. This is our second part of the video, and then we're actually also going to be doing a third part because we bought a lot of stuff at a local English store. And they had so many good things. We'll probably actually go back and get some other things at some point in time. So we're going to get started. We'll start with the Tater Chips. So these are Tater brand, and they're beef and onion crisps.
I don't like that.
And
I don't think I like them.
You didn't even have them yet.
But I don't think I like them.
Well, you don't know because you didn't eat them. Here, one for you.
I'm a gum. This is a barbecue.
And we're gonna be giving these ratings. This is what the chip looks like.
It's like ramen.
Oh my god, I love tasted ramen.
Oriental.
Or like chicken.
I think it tastes like a barbecue.
It does. It tastes like ramen noodles. Like I think like the Oriental flavor. I think you're right, Cole.
I don't take it. I don't think
They're good.
I don't think it tastes like.
Okay. What do you guys rate these?
10.
9, 10. Okay. 10, 10, 9, 10. Next, we'll eat something sweet. All right. They've really been dying to try these randoms. I'm gonna pick this one. What is this? Oh no, it looks like a snowflake. This is like a little. It almost looks like a snowflake, and it has white on it.
I got a music thing.
A music note. This looks completely different than any gummy I've ever seen. It's like very milky.
I got like a tree. I got
What is it?
I don't know. They're like the randoms that Daddy used to get.
I just choked it up.
Oh, and the paw.
It's a birdie, like for badminton. A badminton birdie.
You're not eating all of
Okay,
it.
they don't taste like our
I'm
gummies.
gonna try one.
They. How do I explain that? I think they're like. The texture's a little different, like maybe softer or something. Like more jelly-like,
Yeah.
like real jelly almost. Like, how do you explain that?
Oh, I know what this is.
Chewy. It's soft.
It's like softer than our.
I know what this is.
What?
A fire engine.
Oh, not a fire engine, a fire
Hydrant.
hydrant. So there's also a fire hydrant. So they're all different little shapes. Here, this is yours.
What is that? A monkey has jelly in the middle.
Oh, some of them have jelly. Let me show them. This one has jelly inside of it. So some of them have jelly. Some of them are all milky. Some of them are just like gummy with milky. They're all different, which is pretty cool. Okay, moving on. Wait, I want to try this one like you had. Was this good?
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's a little snowman.
It's softer.
Oh, yeah.
That's
That's kind of like a marshmallow.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's like.
It's so weird. They taste really good. They're really, really good. Concentrated fruit juice. So they actually have real fruit juice in them. It's not just like flavoring. They're really good. Okay, so now we're gonna move on, and we have a lot of chocolate. Yesterday we did a lot of like gummy, chewy things, and we have a lot of chocolate left. So first, I guess we'll do this Lion bar. I've never seen this in my life, so.
It looks like honey, kind of.
Yeah, I don't. It doesn't really say. It just says extra crispy, no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, and it's made by Nestle. So we are gonna cut it. Oh, it kind of looks. What is that bar called? Like it almost looks like 100-gram bar.
Oh,
Like it looks like it has rice in it or something.
Yeah.
I'm a curly whirly.
There you go.
It's like you can have caramel in it, and it's like a curly whirly.
It has caramel in it like the Curly Whirly had, but this one has rice, and it has like a wafer inside and rice. Okay, let's see.
I don't know if I like that.
It's good. You don't like it?
I don't know.
I like it. It's like a 100-gram bar. That's what it tastes like. I love 100-gram bars.
5.
5.
7.
10. 8, okay. Next we're gonna try the Urn Brew. And I don't know if this is like from Britain. I think this might actually be from like Scotland or Ireland or something, but we're trying it anyway. Okay.
Orange.
It's orange. Fizzy orange. Don't spill.
It tastes like orange. No. I don't know what it tastes like.
A little bit for little kids.
Wait, I don't know if I like that.
It doesn't. It tastes orange.
I don't know.
Okay, so it doesn't taste like our orange soda, that's for sure. Our orange soda is like really syrupy and almost like sickening. This one's not. This is good.
Like
this
medicine.
is what, our orange soda?
No, this.
This doesn't taste like medicine. It's like a watered down orange soda and it tastes really good. I actually really like that.
It smells really good.
It smells really good too. It's kind of like almost like an orange cream sort of flavor, and it's much more watered down than our orange soda would be.
Cold.
So,
Mine.
what, babe?
When you like drink it, it feels fizzy.
Yes, it's soda. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna rate it now. Cole?
10. 9.
10.
10.
9.
Okay. All right.
That was good.
Let's see. Next, we will try the Flake bar. Okay, so this is the Cadbury Flake bar, and the crumbliest, flakiest milk chocolate. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a log, which is pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a little log. That's like the weirdest chocolate flavor I've ever tasted. Not weird, but like good. Like, not like any chocolate I've ever tasted. It's really good chocolate, actually. I really like that. I can't give everything a 10, can I? Am I allowed to give everything a 10?
Yeah.
Because I want to. Okay, what do you give it?
9. 9.
What do you give it?
9.
I give it a 10. It's like really creamy. Like it tastes like here in the United States, like the little Cadbury eggs with the hard shell for Easter, but better than that. Like ours here again are like so sweet that you want to throw up, and these are not quite as sweet. It's like sweet but like milky and good, and I really like that. Next we're gonna do the Walker's Prawn Cocktail. And
It tastes like sweet.
I'm really excited for these. I think they're gonna be really good.
They are.
If they're gross, I'm kind of gonna be really disappointed.
Yeah, they have to be good.
Wait. They smell like cocktail sauce.
You just smell the bag.
Cocktail sauce with the red stuff that you dip shrimp in.
I think I like those better though.
That's like, it's almost like salt and vinegar, but like another flavor in there to make it different. I don't like them.
I like the onion better.
They're like,
They taste like the ketchup chips.
these taste like ketchup chips? I never had ketchup chips, so I don't know. They're really good. Okay. What do you give them?
10. 9.
10?
10.
10? We really like these. Oh God, they're good.
And those are better though. I feel like.
Well, I love salt and vinegar, and they remind me of salt and vinegar, but again, with that like extra flavor of cocktail sauce or something, so they're really good. Next, we're gonna do refreshers.
They sound really good.
These sound really good, you think?
Yeah.
They're like lifesavers.
Hard tablet formed fruit flavor fizzy sweets.
What?
I don't know. It says they fizz.
Oh
Wait,
God.
no. Don't try that one. You're not gonna like that one. That's lemon. Here, you try pink. Pink is probably like raspberry. You want pink too? All right, so there's pink, there's orange, there's yellow, there's green.
Green. Pink left. I love the green.
Here's a green for you. Nope, you can't get pink. I'm not pulling the whole thing. Okay, I'll try the lemon because that's probably gonna be like the sourest one.
What does it mean?
It looks like a sweet tart. Sweet tart? Yeah, it looks like a sweet tart, but bigger.
No, the other things that we tried last night.
Tastes like Pez. Right?
Oh,
Pez?
yeah,
it does.
Where?
It's Pez.
It looks pretty good.
Oh my god. Ugh. It's Pez, but it fizzes in your mouth when you bite it. Oh my god. It's okay tasting, but when you bite it and then that fizz like hits your throat,
No, it doesn't.
dude, it almost just choked me to death. Maybe it's just a lemon. It tastes like eating an antacid. Like a,
Medicine.
yeah, like a, what do you call it? Like a Rolade or like a Tums. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like Tums, okay.
Like Pez.
It tastes like Pez mixed with Tums. That's not my favorite. Okay, what do you give it?
8.
What do you give it?
9.
I'm gonna give that one a 4. What do you give it?
10.
You give that a 10? You liked that? Why am I the only person who doesn't like that? Okay, so now we're gonna do the Mars bar. I'm anxious to try it. So it just looks like, I don't know, a Snickers or a Milk Bar. It's caramel in it.
Oh yeah, there's caramel.
Oh, it's got caramel and like the stuff that's inside of a
Snickers.
no, not a Snickers. What's that other one? What I just said? Three Musketeers. And it's kind of like a Milky Way inside. Maybe a little bit like a Three Musketeers, maybe not. Maybe I'm hallucinating. Next, we're gonna try these Snowy Fingers by Cadbury. Pretty sure that these are just like a seasonal item, like Christmas. But they had them there, and they looked good, so I figured let's try them out. Oh no, look, they all
Chocolate.
They all just swirled around in the package. There you go. There you go.
Really good. They taste
Oh,
like
right,
caramel.
these aren't cookies.
Yeah.
Oh, they are. Yeah, that's what I thought.
These taste like
Starbucks.
King Pops.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's got white chocolate and milk chocolate. It's got a little cookie inside. It's good. They're really sweet. I mean, because the chocolate, I don't, like the white chocolate, I don't really care for white chocolate because it's kind of like too much. But it's a thin layer, and I really like these.
I give them a 7.
I'm trying to think if it tastes like something we have here. What'd you say it tastes like? He thinks it tastes like a Starbucks cake pop. I don't know.
It does.
I don't eat cake pops, so maybe it does. I don't know. But you like cake pops, and you're not finishing that.
No?
All right, what do you give it?
8.
8.
7.
9.
10.
10. Okay. I really like that. I'm gonna eat another one. So in this box, there's actually another whole package. So they give 2 packages, and that's pretty delicious. I like that. So next, we're gonna do the Cadbury Dairy Milk. I've never had
It might
this.
have like caramel in it.
I think it's just plain chocolate.
It is.
Okay, this is the Cadbury Dairy Milk. Okay.
I just don't like a lot of chocolate.
Me either. This is not as sweet as our chocolate, right? It's not as sweet. And it's good.
It's good. I just don't like eating like a bunch of chocolate.
Oh, I know. But I'm saying, like this chocolate compared to our chocolate,
It's definitely like lighter.
it's not as sweet. Like not like, it tastes really good. All right, we only have, this is our last thing? Oh, that video went fast, okay. Oh wait, we didn't rate that. What do you give it? Did we rate it?
No.
No, 9?
Like a 5.
8.
These ones are like very chewy. But
7.
7. Okay. Next thing that we have, this is the last thing for this video. We have Multitzers, and they're like multi-balls or Whoppers. But if you saw our other video, when I went in, there was a lady who was from Britain in the store, and she told me that these are like Whoppers, but they're like so much better that you can't really even compare them. Here you go, sir. So we'll see.
Look, wait.
Mhm.
I don't like it.
Okay.
It's like a little crunchy part inside. So it just looks like a malt ball. I don't really like malt balls, so I don't really like these either. The flavor is not really my favorite. Sort of tastes like okay, it tastes like Alpo. It tastes like Alpo.
What is Alpo?
Dog food.
It's so bad.
Oh my god, why is it so bad?
Get some of this.
She said they're better than the first.
Oh god,
They're not.
it's so horrible. Okay, sorry British people, but not to like district candy, but that was really, really bad. I really don't like that. Okay, what do you give that, Cole?
5. 3.
1. What? 4? Okay.
My favorite thing is this.
Okay, the prawn cocktail
And randoms.
and randoms. Okay,
And
those
then
were good.
the drink.
And the drink.
I like the beef and onion chips and the drink.
I thought you didn't like the drink. Now you like the drink? Oh.
My opinion changed.
I like the prawn cocktail chips. They are really good. I have 3 favorites this time because I only had 1 favorite last time. Not that I only had 1 favorite, but I only said 1 favorite because I didn't know that we were picking more than 1. So the randoms, and I really like these Cadbury cookies. Oh god, I have 4 favorites. And this, I like it all. I can't pick like which one I like best because I just like it too much. No.
I like
Okay,
that.
here, hold it up. Say I like this one.
I like this one.
The randoms,
This.
the cookies.
This.
Oh, and the refreshers. What's your favorite one?
That.
And the drink?
That one.
Okay, so Jace's favorite are the randoms, right? For the most part, everything was really good, and I think we enjoyed almost all of it. So, hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.